Noise issue. Listen to this nice noise in the living room here and place we're trying to work. Incredibly loud. That thing goes like from 6 in the morning till after midnight, and it right through the whole condo. It's right shakes this whole side of the building. Somebody else taking a ride here. Hear them come down. There, must be coming up from the top. There they go. Anyway, it's loud enough to try to do video conferencing and on a Zoom meeting, and people on the other end complain about the loudness of it. And anyway, that's it. Yeah, it's really disappointing. We got this condo and looking for some serenity in Florida, and have not found it because of this. Oh, there it goes again. That's just amazing. And this otherwise lovely place. And I don't know if something's wrong with that thing or it's always that noisy, but anyway, it's just we find it absolutely brutal. And so as everybody else walked in here, we point to it. One of the other condo people who's doing construction, they've been construction day after day in this place, which at least it's confined to business hours. And this is the problem with this. I mean, if it did, well, interferes with their work and trying to work remote. But anyway, it's just getting agonizing.